Hey everybody, it's Ryan here, and I want to give you a sneak peek about my seminar at this year's Car Wash Show in Nashville. The fundamentals of express car wash success and how we wash 400,000 cars per year, and most importantly, how you can too. I'm going to share with you some basic core fundamentals. When implemented correctly, you can achieve outstanding results, and how we're getting to these incredible record numbers. I'm also going to give you a little bit of history about how we started in 1969 with our retail car wash operations and evolved until last year, where we washed 419,559 cars at our one gas wash C-store site in its first year in business. I'm going to give you all those principles as well as some old ones when I shared in 2013 the 5 factors to building the ultimate express car wash. And in 2014, we talked about how it's all about the details, the left in, right out layout, the down in, down out design, and how to make win-win investment decisions to get the maximum ROI. We took all that concept we shared with you and we applied it and put it to work for our own facility, building this location that's breaking all the records, an incredible outcome. And we've done it again now this year with the opening of our new Rivertown location. We're going to share it all with you, as well as give you an unbelievable opportunity at the end of the seminar to do something, a once in a lifetime opportunity to see this stuff if you qualify firsthand to come in a behind the scenes tour. So be there at this seminar, Fundamentals of Express Car Wash Success. It's Monday, May 9th, 8 a.m. The show's at Music City Center in Nashville, Tennessee, room 208. And my name's Ryan Essenberg. You'll look for me. I'll be doing the seminar myself, and I'll be happy to meet with you afterward and help you with your car wash project. But you got to be there. Thanks.